All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at 5.5. We're going to go over the answers. So you should have this worksheet out in front of you. If you don't have one, I've got some right up here. 5.5, which is inequalities. Okay, 5.5 is inequalities. You had to make a triangle. I made one like this. My triangle sides were 3, 3.5, and 2. Yours are going to be different because everybody had to measure them. Then my angles were 40, 80, and 75 approximately. If we fill it in my triangle, angle A is 40. Oops, angle C is 40. Angle B is 80. And angle A is 75. Okay, so if we look at it, do you guys see the biggest angle is 80? It's across from the biggest side, 3.5. The smallest angle is 2. It's across from the smallest angle, 40. So I can conclude biggest angle is across from the longest side. Smallest angle is across from the shortest side. And this should be true for all of you. So when you compared your classmates, you could say the people at my table had similar answers. Okay? So what can we conclude? Smallest angle, shortest side. Largest angle, longest side. Right. So then let's look at example 1. We want to put them in order. So we have angles CAB. We have sides DF, EF, and DE. Okay. Now for example 2, we know what the angles are. We're figuring out the side. The longest side is AC. The next longest side is BC, and the next longest side is AB. How did I figure that out when I was missing one of the angles? What do the interior angles of a triangle add up to? 180. So I said 63 plus 27 minus 180 gives me 90. Okay. My angles, shortest to largest, smallest to largest, E, D, F. Okay, example 3 is the other thing we learned yesterday that we had some problems with. You know your triangles have to, 2 of the sides added together have to be longer than the third side. So let's write that down. 2 sides are longer than the third side. Okay, so we took the 2 sides, 12 plus x is 28. And then we subtracted 12 from both sides and we got 4. So we know our third side is between 28 and 4. Okay? If it's bigger than 28, it looks like this. If it's smaller than 4, it looks like this. So they wouldn't make a triangle. Let's turn it over and look at the other 2. So for B, x has to be between 7 and 3. And for 4, x has to be between 6 and 14. And then let's get out our homework, page 331, and we'll go over the answers to that now.